Once your order has been reviewed and scheduled for manufacture, your Instron team will be in touch to provide you with a pre-installation manual describing how the preparation and installation responsibilities are shared between your organisation and Instron. You will need to have your site ready in advance of delivery with enough room for maintenance activities that are free of vibration, enough floor resistance and a suitable working room temperature. You may also need to arrange other supplies such as power, compressed air, a cooling system or an exhaust for CO2 and N2 gas, depending on the nature of your new product and its accessories. Prior to delivery, our service supervisor or Instron representative will contact you to double-check site readiness, as well as your available supplies. These can include power packs, the bunding, cooling water, three-phase power, the location, plus the computer for your system if you are supplying this. Once your new system is ready for shipment, your Instron team will contact you to request your delivery instructions. No Instron machine ships without customer confirmation. You will need to return the confirmation of site readiness form to your local service contact or Instron representative. Then the installation visit can be scheduled. Instron takes pride in packaging your equipment, ensuring its arrival in factory-perfect condition. When you receive your shipment, you will be responsible for offloading the system and placing it in its final location, unless explicitly included in your Instron quotation and your subsequent order. You will need to access the system by opening the crate while remembering to keep all the smaller boxes closed for the time being. Please remember to check shock indicators and check for any damage to packaging. If you do find any damage, take photos and retain all packaging for insurance purposes. In some instances, the machine positioning may be better facilitated with optional Instron service supervision. An Instron service engineer will visit you on the agreed date. Our installation engineer will open the small boxes for you and check item by item that the packing list matches the purchase order. The Instron engineer will check and install all the accessories included in your order. They will configure and set up the system, connect and configure user transducers, and check the complete operation of the new system. Please ensure your IT department are on hand to assist with any administrator passwords and access for the software installation. Once the whole system is fully functioning, the Instron engineer will start the validation process, carrying out all the accredited calibrations according to the relevant standards as requested in your order. The Instron engineer will perform a full training session on how to safely and effectively use the system, including all accessories and software. In order to ensure the quality of the training, the sessions will be limited to 3 attendees, and Instron strongly recommends that interruptions are avoided during this time. If training attendees have very different levels of experience, it may be wise to tailor or augment the standard training accordingly. During your training session, the engineer will create up to 3 test methods with you and review the results and reports afterwards. If test methods need to meet specific standards, we'll need to know these in advance. This will provide hands-on experience creating methods and performing tests, thereby building operator confidence. This training session normally takes between 4 to 8 hours, and at the end, attendees will receive a formal training certificate. Certificates are only issued to those who attend the whole session. Once this installation and training work has been completed, we will ask you to confirm this via the installation completion form, which will also serve as the formal commencement of the warranty period. During the first year, you will have access to Instron Connect through Blue Hill Universal, our static software. This program includes unlimited remote support to solve any questions you may have. The Connect tool requires internet access and is only active when you need to request Instron assistance. This allows us to run diagnostic tools and analyse the test methods that you may need assistance with. Your request will be attended to within 2 working hours. Your software support contract also includes free software updates through Connect. In order for Instron to keep your testing systems up to date, calibrated and working at optimum performance, before your warranty period expires, you will receive a proposal for a system validation contract. This includes one annual visit for a preventative maintenance program, any software updates, technical consultancy, accredited calibrations, and operator assessment or training. Depending on your system model, a preventative maintenance program of this type may extend the warranty on your test system. Instron is proud to support you locally with our worldwide service operation.